In this video, you're going to learn the best paid traffic for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. This is Digistore 24 tutorial for beginners. This is by far the most requested video, and it's time to let you know exactly what the secrets are, because I'm going to show you some things that your guru that you are following, he doesn't either know about or he doesn't want to show you how to do it. So I'm going to show you tips and tricks. We're going to do it only with 3 easy steps. But before we get going, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button, because I'm going to be making more videos about tips, tricks, and hacks and how to make money online. And believe me, you don't want to miss it. So go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification button, and let's make some money. Okay, before we get going, I just want to let you know I'm not selling any course at all. This is free because I'm just giving something back. Relax, there's nothing for you to buy. There's no course here. So let's go to work. The first thing I'm gonna tell you about is what free app to use to find the best paid traffic for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. The second thing, well, before I go to this, the second thing is I just want to let you know that I do have a link, and the link is in the description. You can go ahead and pause this video right now, click on that link, and the link should say the best affiliate marketing traffic. So you can follow along with me, because this is very important for you to make money online. Number 2, tricks of how to find the best professional to help you promote Digistore 24 affiliate marketing products. A lot of people that want to make money affiliate marketing, but the problem is they don't know exactly how to use that platform. Number 3, how to save money by using communication tricks with lead providers to make money on Digistore 24 fast. So make sure that you are following along with me. Now, in case you missed my last one, I go in depth a little bit more of how to really dig into it. Make sure to watch that. In case you don't know, let me know in the comment below you want that video, and I'll send it to you so you can watch it as well. Because if you get this video and the video before that and probably the video after that, you're gonna be way ahead of anybody else. The platform is called Udemy. You probably heard of Udemy, but I can tell you and I can assure you, I'm gonna tell you some things you don't know anything about, and you've probably been doing it wrong for all this time, because most affiliate marketers do it wrong. Unfortunately, the stuff that I'm going to show you, hardly anybody will show you these things online. Okay, right now we're on a platform, Udemy. So what I did is I put make money online. What I did is, let me go back here just to let you know, I click on keyword and then I put make money online. Okay, and then click submit, and then all the people who can help with make money online, they show up. Before I go any further, I just want to explain a few things for you to understand. One of them is, when you look at this, you can just scan. This person charges 69 cents per lead. In other words, you would get that lead. You would receive that lead, and each lead is 69 cents. 62% made sales. I just want to let you know that what that is. So that person is good. This number right here is an indicator of the people that liked. They gave them thumbs up, which is 20,000, 21,000, over 21,000 people didn't like that, which is 4. So this person is good. I have used him before. He is very good at what he does. So when you go in here, you can click. Maybe you cannot afford 69 cents. You can afford maybe 44 cents. Now let's go ahead and just click on that person. Now you know exactly what these numbers are. This is something that you can click very quickly. Now let's go ahead and just click on that and start from here. The average, this is the average time that person will get back to you, whether they're gonna do your or help you or not, which is 5 hours. This is repeat customers, 18% come back. The people that actually use him make sales, 49%. And thumbs up, he's got about 3,156. The next box is important. This will give you the control of how many clicks you want to place. Now, of course, this is a slider bar. He would not do anything below 100, which is, of course, if you're doing anything below 100, might as well don't do anything because you can't tell exactly if things are going to work or not. But my recommendation is to do 300 in order for you to know if things are working or not. The next one here is a Premiere filter. This is a good, it's not expensive, it's only 0.03 cent, which is when you click it, we use it all the time because it does extra filtering for you, so you will get the top leads. It doesn't cost that much. Here it says only top tier. Do not, this is cost money. This is cost about 25 cents. Do not click on that. I'm going to tell you why here in just a little bit. Only mobile, don't ever do that. Don't ever click on that. In this box, you do have two options. One of them is a link only and then a text. He's going to send the 300 clicks or leads to that link that you see right here. Now, there are other options that I will show you in just a little bit. So that link could be your landing page for your funnel. I put Google, for example. Right here, I did give you a funnel. You can use that funnel if you want to, or they can build you a funnel. What I mean, you can use the funnel. You can put the landing page that you have, and what they do is they look at it and they give you whether they can do that for you or not, and they get back with you very quickly. Here you can only do link if you want to, or you can just put text. When you click on this, you put text. You can write the text that you want and put some links in it. What he does, that person, he would send it to his list, whatever the text is. I don't recommend that too much because he knows his list a lot more than you. So I would have him write it for you, send him a message. You go right here, send him a message and ask him if he can do that for you. He needs to know what kind of product that you are selling. So this is very important. Now, after that, you click on finish order and then you pay for it and then you wait for the provider to let you know if he can do it or not, or if he thinks his list matches what you are selling. So this is what's good about it. Here it's very hard to cheat because people do rate them, and if they're not doing a good job, the rating will suffer. Their rating will suffer, and then they will kicked out by Udemy. They will just let them go. They will not allow them to do anything on their platform. In case you want to have this person build you a funnel, you can have them do a funnel for you. Ask them and they will do a funnel. Of course, it's gonna cost more money. Some of them, what they do is that if you're buying enough clicks, they'll do it for free. Always ask them. This is how you win. So don't think it's just only one niche or affiliate marketing or whatever. It is almost everything. We've been doing this for a very long time. Almost every product that we launch it right here on this platform because we do get really good leads. These are filtered leads and they're good ones. If they're not, we will put down that this person is not providing good ones and it's filtered. In other words, if somebody is using bots or using some kind of a software to generate something fake, they will know about it. So if you are doing Digistore 24, this is very important for you to do. Now, of course, I did mention free traffic as well, and I did a video about free traffic. The best thing is to marry both of them for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing or for any other affiliate marketing network. When you do both, this is how you win, and this is exactly what we do. In case you need that video, Digistore 24 tutorial for beginners, free traffic, make sure you put it in the comment and ask for it. Okay, the reason I told you not to pick only top tier because it costs you money, and there is a trick to it. If you go down here, you can find out that this person, that's what he does. Only top tier. Why pay more money for something he's already doing? So these are pretty much top tier countries. Not all of them, but most of them. And some of them, they only have, this one have 96 top tier countries. So 96%, almost all of them are top tier. So do not click on this at all to get top tier countries. Okay, make sure you pay attention to this because this is very important. Now, out of this, and I'm talking about a hack, the hack is that I told you about is that how to pick the right person and how to do it and what to do. You can communicate with them and you can get them to do things that other people don't even bother to do. You can do that and benefit from. The other thing is that this is what is the most important number here. The most important number to us is repeat customers, because if people are happy and they're getting results, they will come back. It says here 18%, so keep that in mind. The higher the better in our opinion. Now right here is important but not as much. The reason for that is because some people do not sell anything. They just want to build their email list. They're not selling anything. They're just giving something away just to get someone to opt in to their email marketing list. So make sure that this is important. The other thing obviously is the thumbs up, thumbs down. This person is like flawless, looks like everybody liked everything he does. This is important. Please make sure you understand this and you apply it. If you want to start your journey with affiliate marketing and know everything about affiliate marketing and how to get started very quickly and start making money, make sure to click up here. If you want to make $13,000 with Digistore 24 on an autopilot, make sure to click right here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.